So before you can create any Java code in Eclipse, you have to first create a new project. Eclipse is basically clumps files together in things called projects. And what you might want to do is have a separate project for each of the assignments that you get that you have to work with. So let's take a look at how we can go about creating a new project in Eclipse. It's really quite easy. So all you have to do is go up to the File menu at the top and click on that and go to New and select New Java Project. So I'll do that now. And then you need to give your project a name, and you can call it anything you want. I'll go ahead and call this Chapter 3 because I'm writing some code that's in Chapter 3 in our textbook. And then a couple of settings you have to be careful that you've chosen. So one is over here where it says use an execution environment. Jerry, for now, make sure that it's set to 1.8. So you may get a different default the first time you run Eclipse, but we want to set it to 1.8. And then down here where it says project layout, make sure that you select the use project folder as root for sources and class files. That'll make things a little bit simpler for you if you go about actually looking on your file system as to where various files are located. And that's really all you need to do. I'm going to go ahead and click on the next button just to kind of show you what you might get. And here, this is where we'd do some fancier stuff if we needed to in terms of adding libraries and stuff like that, but we don't need to do that right now. So I'm just going to click on the Finish button. And you'll see over here on the left-hand side in the Package Explorer is now something called Chapter 3. So that corresponds to the project that we just created. If you click on the little triangle over there, it opens up, and there's really nothing in here yet except the basic system library is here. So that's how you go ahead and create a project. So I hope you found that helpful, and I'll go ahead and next thing we'll look at is how to create a new file, a new Java file, and how to add an existing Java file to an existing project.